Good day, everyone. How you guys doing out there? Um, I'm here to share with you in details on guidelines to keep a healthy pregnancy or guide things to do or to know during pregnancy period. Maybe as a first time mom or a mom that have given birth before, and there are some things that you are not aware of. So I'm here to bring it up to you. So in pregnancy, good nutrition is very important. Good nutrition is very, very important, my friend. So, we are going to start with what you are to eat during pregnancy and what you are not to what take in during pregnancy. Some There are things that you can eat during pregnancy. There are those things that will help you with your strength, with relieving you of that stress and so many things that is going to keep you healthy and your baby also healthy and in good hands, safe and sound. And things that you are not ought to eat, there are things that what will cause harm to your baby and to you yourself carrying the baby. There are things you that stop the flow of blood and nutrients to your baby and so many other things. Please stay tuned and you will learn much about it. So, going to good nutrition or things that you are to eat during pregnancy. First, eat a well balanced diet. Eat a Eat a well balanced diet. That's number one. An expectant mother diet needs to be balanced with plenty of protein, fresh fruits and vegetables. This fresh fruits, vegetables, this help during the pregnancy, especially during constipation. It helps you with softening your stomach to prevent constipation from happening, and also it nourishes you and your baby. It keeps you healthy and sound. Same goes with protein. Eating a good protein like your meat, your eggs, at least for a pregnant woman, at least one egg a day is a golden rule to all pregnant women. At least one egg a day is always good for a pregnant woman. Yes, things are hard in the country. Anyhow, it must not be a very big thing, or you must not eat much, or just not touch every aspect of it, like the protein, the fresh fruits, and at least one a day. It's going to help you a lot. And also, secondly, take plenty of water, take plenty of fluid to your body, because during pregnancy you ought to spit a lot, some vomit a lot, some urine. You urinate, you tend to what your body tends to, let me just say, your baby act as a heating your baby heat up the body during pregnancy. So your baby acts as a heating engine. That's why, as a pregnant woman, you always feel heat during pregnancy. You feel the body is always warm. So because of that, we need water to rehydrate ourselves. We lose a lot of water during pregnancy, and we need water to rehydrate ourselves, especially those that spit a lot. Please take much fluid to your body. It's very, very, very important. There's a stage that says a pregnant woman should eat for two. Actually, it's not eating for two. Rather, drink for two. Take liquid for two. So please, water is very, very necessary. Very, very important during pregnancy to keep you hydrated always. And also, we you can, and during pregnancy, my sister, you can eat variety of food, but you have to focus more on protein, fresh fruits and vegetable. Also, food that are rich in iron are also good. Food like beef, turkey, fish. Please, you have to take those food into consideration. And also, as a pregnant woman, all your drugs, your routine drugs are very necessary and important. Don't neglect it. Before, I used to do that a lot. I'm the type that doesn't like taking drugs. I don't like taking drugs at all. But with times I find out that these drugs are really, really good. Because I don't like taking drugs, like drugs, anything drugs. I don't like this message. Excuse me. So, but with time I realized that all these drugs are very good. I read about it, and especially the Cajun. in the routine drugs, most of the time, before, when I don't normally used to take them, I feel pains on my body, I feel weak all the time. But when I started taking the drugs, I can see that I'm very strong, like I'm more strong than before. I was strong, I started doing things very actively. I don't feel weak regularly anymore. And also folic acid help us a lot too. Folic acid help uh, help with our red blood cells, our hemoglobin to work actively. It helps the heart to pump blood in an adequate way too. So let's take our drugs very very important during pregnancy to keep us and the baby strong and healthy. Also our vitamin D and all those routine drugs. Please take it very very seriously. Take them very well. You might be thinking that, oh, no, now eat and cover up. It helps your baby. If you are not taking it, it will also weaken. As you are getting weak, your baby is also getting weak. As your nutrients is not up to. And also, mind you, most people, those of you that, most of us that doesn't have much to eat, like all those protein and stuff, all those drugs help to cover up everything. That's why the drug is very very necessary. So it helps cover up everything, like the type that doesn't have and all those stuff. Take your drugs very very seriously. It will help you a lot. It's going to help a lot. And there are some things that you need not to eat to avoid. There are things you have to avoid as a pregnant woman. Though you might crave them and so on, but it's not all that you are to eat. You are maybe, it's not even good at all to take them. Things like clay, please avoid it, especially all those non-food products, food things. Keep them aside. You are the type that like meat pie a lot, please reduce it. The type that is cake, all those junk food, please drop them aside. They are not too good for you. Cookies, meat pie, cake, ice cream. If you have to take at all, just little of it. Drop junk food. They are not healthy for you and your baby. And also like clay, keep away from clay, stay away from clay, smoke, or anywhere that they are smoking. Don't be a second-hand smoker. If they are smoking you or anybody smoking around you, please tell the person to excuse you or you excuse yourself. Oh, and stuff like that. Please keep away. Alcoholic, keep away from it. Things that contain caffeine that they have caffeine inside. Drugs that are with caffeine, please. Like I said, drugs that contain caffeine, keep e.g. extra Panadol, please keep it aside. Also cola nut, keep it aside. They are not good for you and your baby. And coffee, don't take coffee too. It contains caffeine. They are not good for your health and your baby's health. After you give birth, you can go back to your normal life, but please, things that will keep your baby safe, they are very very important. That's why I am here. And also like I said, you can crave for food, but keep away from things like clay that I said, cigarettes or smoke. Keep away from all these dangerous substances. Speaking of drugs, alcohol, please keep them aside. They are not safe for your baby at all. They are not safe during pregnancy. After you give birth, you can go back to them if you want. They are not also good for you totally as human beings. It destroys your body organs. And so with this little with these little things that I bring to your notice, please, you have to take them very very seriously. Take them very very seriously. They are good and safe during pregnancy. Please, if you know that this helps you a lot, lest I forget, please avoid herbal preparation. Avoid herbal preparation. All those are both, please keep them aside. Some are good, but some are not good for you and your baby. Why? Because the risk of it are not much. They are not taken into consideration. The risks are not known. Most of the agbos, their risks are not known, and also the dosage in which you have to take, the appropriate amount of that dose of what you have to take, they are not adequate. They are not well organized, or their dosage are not clearly put to you. So please, they are very, very dangerous during pregnancy. You might take some and you don't even know you lose your baby or you lost your life, stuff like that. Please keep away from agbo, from all this herbal preparation, because of the risks attached to it. Please keep away from all those stuff. Please, if you find this video helpful to you, you can give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channels. I'm on YouTube and also on TikTok. Please help me like and share this video to reach all those pregnant women and potential mother. And I pray that for as many who are looking for fruit of the womb, the Lord will hear your prayer. And I say amen to all your sacred prayers. Please share and like this video. As you do so, may the good Lord bless you. More will be coming up to you. Please